Hi guys, Liam here, and this is a video that I've been working on for way too long. This is my video trip to Ireland. I've always wanted to take a camera through a journey to some place, and as my trip to Ireland this Easter came about off the back of Vader, I decided to vlog it. Enjoy. I woke up very early to catch my plane to Dublin. It was very misty outside, but was this foreboding the trip we had in plan? After getting through security where the no photography signs were prominent, we had some time to look around the airport. When I roam, I always retrace. When left alone, she misses my face. Holds the memories I thought I erased. Cause they're embedded in the clouds that come down with the rain. Halfway between the city and the country, between the shade and the sunbeam. Part-time is the trying to hustle, trying to put some heavy muscle behind every aspiration, every hope, every dream. Can't let the city crush you. You wanna try to touch you when you flip your situation. And non-believers believe. Yeah, and non-believers believe. Yeah, and non-believers believe. Can't let the city crush you. Everyone will try to touch you when you flip your situation. After buying some batteries for my camera's remote, it was then time to board the plane. After handing my ticket to the air hostess and finding my seat, it was chocks away and time for my journey to really begin. Best part of the journey. Made it to Dublin now. Oh yeah. My auntie went and picked us up from the airport. It was then time to drive to the train station. Limerick Junction, Charleville, Mallow and Kent Station, Cork. We caught the train down to Limerick and it was a nice fast ride down. I got up to a bit of tweeting as we found free Wi-Fi, which is always the goal when you go on holiday.
After getting off the train, it was then time to head into Limerick. I met some family and had some lunch, and then it was back on the road down to Cork again. I may have accidentally fallen asleep while going down there, so I didn't get to vlog the rest of the journey, but it was pretty great. Thank you very much guys for watching my vlog trip to Ireland. It was very fun to make, and I hope you enjoyed it as well, and I hope to be doing more of those in the future. I have 2 more videos I recorded in Ireland that are going to come out in the next few weeks. I'm going to hopefully get them up every second Saturday, and then we should have some exciting vlogs because I'm going to Italy for a week, and I've got some camping that I might do a vlog at, which is a big festival event, which should be really fun. But anyways, thank you very much guys for watching. My name is Liam. Thank you very much guys for watching. Subscribe if you're new around here, and I shall see you back next time.
Train my mind so I forget. Sink your teeth into my bones. Dig me out, then fill the hole.